The OKX USB-C triple display docking station. Model RU7A. Okay, so I got this because I have a Mac Mini and I am always in need of more inputs, especially a micro SD and SD card reader. And this has it in there. Okay, OKX user manual. So here's the user manual. Oh, there's our connectors. Excellent. Compatibility. Hopefully this will be compatible. I also did like this one because it has a multi-display port option, which I am in need of. This is some kind of tag. Please download and install the driver before use. So I've got to put a driver in. Something to know. Free 1-year warranty. Want a free gift? Latest products. $20 Amazon gift card. This is probably all out of date, so if I try and use it, it's probably all expired. It happens a lot. Okay, so I feel the unit here, so maybe we'll take that out first since I really can. Oh, it's very hefty, really nice aluminum feel. I can feel it right through the plastic. Nice. Love that. Look at that. Really solid. Wow. Nice. Here's the base. Excellent. LAN input. There's a USB-C. USB 2, USB 2, HDMI, digital display port. Awesome. SD card, micro SD card, USB 2, USB 3, USB 3, USB 3, and a USB 3, and headphone with a little light display, I guess, for when it's plugged in. There's power there, DC, 20 volts. Really nice, hefty feel, I gotta say. Aluminum case, really great. Let's go here. I'm guessing this is the wall wart for the power. So we pull this out and voila, we have power cord. Excellent. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. That's awesome. And there's our wart right there. Excellent. Input 100 to 240, output 20 volts. So this baby's got juice. Excellent. That is the unboxing of the OKX USB-C triple display docking station. Enjoy.